Hello everybody, welcome to my van build. Right now I have a GMC 1500 Savana cargo van with the high top, can't forget it. So currently in the process of my van build, I am at the insulation stage. I put bubble foil over the wheel well, the gas well, and this wheel well. Mindy's out back. On the fiberglass rooftop, all I did was put the bubble foil and the poly boards and taped it all together really. And on the front of the van, let me show you, it came with these dirty mats. Let me show you these ones. It came with these dirty mats. Oop, scared Mindy. I didn't mean to. It came with these dirty mats. So what I did is I took them out and I basically made my own, which is right here. It is insulated with the bubble foil, and literally it's all sprayed adhesive with a 3M 77. As you can see, I just cut it out and just fit it in like a puzzle, and it's all around, even on the driver's side, all over there too. Let me see, what am I missing? Right here, it's just the polyboard on the floor at the moment. I do have my plywood cutouts. They're gonna be coming in when, well, they're gonna be coming in when I fit them correctly. Some pieces aren't the right size, so I'm really just gonna wait until I do that to put them in, and after that I'm gonna get the walls going. But first off, I gotta put in the solar panel and all the wiring with the with the fantastic fan, which will be coming in soon, real soon. Let me show you all what I'm currently working on at the moment. I am working on putting the carpet lining on this area. It is going to be a little storage. It's going to have like a net right here so it doesn't let everything fall off. And for the roof, I'm really thinking about just putting a carpet lining all over and just letting it run. Let me show you everything. Oops. Yeah, this is how everything's looking so far. As you can see, the bubble foil just over that, insulating the van. I feel like I did a pretty good job with it, and I'm really excited to see the outcome of the van. So, yeah. Oop, that means my flashlight is dying. I will be getting back to work. I currently just have a few things just holding down the plywood. I mean, not the plywood, the poly insulation. I don't know what the real name is, but yeah, that's how it's coming along. I will update you guys on van build number 2 after I'm done.